is inviting all of you to a wonderful business opportunity meeting. We all people know right now what is happening in the world because of corona, because of COVID-19. No one is able to do anything. Most of the people, not most of the people in India, each and every one of us is locked down. We all are there in our home. We are not able to do anything right now. The reality is, if the lockdown is continuing like this way, what will be our financial scenario? Because many industries are got shut down. Many people are already lost their jobs. The situation is become very critical and crucial nowadays. So here I am inviting you guys to a wonderful business opportunity. You can start this business staying at your home without investing anything. A wonderful opportunity I want to introduce you. So with me, one of the leading person who have a 15 years of experience business field. He is with me. I just want to invite that person to this meeting. He is none other than Mr. Anish Verghese. He is a wonderful personality, having a lot of experience in business. Here he is going to tell you how you can utilize your time in lockdown period. With your all help, with a round of applause, let me invite Mr. Anish Verghese.
Thank you so much, Basil, for that wonderful introduction. Good afternoon, all of you. It is so nice to hear everybody in this room. We are doing an English presentation today. Hope everybody doing great, doing good. So I can see we have 96 participants are there. So without taking much of your time, let us go to the presentation. Listen, please connect to the PPT. Yeah. Thank you so much, Leslie. So, most welcome to the Viva Orientation Program. See, it's a very interesting that Basil was talking about. Have you ever thought how your future and of your friends would be after lockdown? The lockdown is going on. We don't have any guarantee that when it will get end. But one thing is sure, after lockdown, things are not going to be so good. See, the biggest issue we are going to face is the job losses. In the organized sector, 2 crore people will lose their job permanently. 1 crore 50 lakh people will job seek this year, but they are not going to get that. And especially the people, the NRIs, they are contributing too much to Indian GDP, but many people are losing their job in abroad. Who the people are losing their job in abroad, that people are also not going to get it back. And nobody is going to get a salary hike this year. Not salary hike, many companies already started to cut the salary. Many companies are started to give only 50% salary right now. But the living expense is increasing like anything. It will continue to increase. So this is a very dangerous scenario waiting for we people. So in this situation, see, today's economic condition is a result of actions you did in the past. Means your future financial status will be a result of what you are doing today. It is a very interesting thing because what you are today, yesterday, in the past, what you did. Tomorrow, what is going to be your economical status is all depends upon what you are doing today. See, you can see some companies like General Electric, Microsoft, even Google. These all companies are founded in an economic meltdown period. So when the situation was worst, when the situation was hopeless, that time some people thought positively and they started some companies. Today, they are the biggest companies in the world. See, the same time, I also like to discuss you one finest thing. You can also start a business by sitting at home without any investment. Listen to me very carefully. Sitting at home without any investment, and you can carry forward after the lockdown as part-time or full-time. You can start a business without an investment, and you can carry forward the business after the lockdown as a part-time or a full-time. See, this is a time we have to very seriously taken this opportunity. We all know the need of the hour is immunity and preventive health supplements made as per the advanced Ayurvedic principles. See, what is advanced Ayurveda? Advanced Ayurveda products are products which are manufactured as per the Ayurvedic principles and has its efficacy and claims validated by modern science. See, just you can start a community commerce business with a great company, the finest company of India, Indus Viva Health Sciences, by sitting at home and opening a virtual office in our website. That is what you have to do right now. See, I like to talk about this company. Just see how good Indus Viva Health Sciences is. This company started its operation in 2014, and we are headquartered at Viva Tower, our own edifice, our own building. We are headquartered now, and it is very, you people are hearing about the fastest growing direct selling company in India now with 148% of growth rate. That is what is the annual growth rate of this company. And all our products, all our plants are certified by GMP, and our research and development is approved by Government of India, DSIR. And we have cultivating thousands of acres medicinal plants we are cultivating through the contract farming. And raw material processing, we have the capacity of 165 metric ton per month. That is what is the capacity of this company. See, you can check the product. We have some wonderful products here, and all the products are researched and developed by the Bioactive Japan Corporation, Tokyo, as per the Japanese standard. All products are certified by Ayush Department under Ministry of Health and Ministry of Government of India. All products are scientifically validated, and reports are available on respective product websites. See, we can go the products one by one, what product we have. I am really excited to talk about this wonderful product called iPulse. So iPulse is the need of the moment because it is the best immune booster and the best antioxidant in a multi-fruit blended juice form. That is what is iPulse. And this contain one finest ingredient called acai berry, which is the best antioxidant among fruits and vegetables, and that is coming from Amazon. Actually, this company got motivated from NASA, seeing a product called AS10, and we developed iPulse. And this AS10 was providing to the astronauts. And here the acai berry having the highest score of ORAC, having 1,27,000. That is the ORAC value of this product. So this product is equivalent, if you're consuming just 60 milliliter of this product, it is equivalent to 3.5 kilograms of fresh and fruits and vegetables. That is equivalent to 3.5 kilograms of garden fresh and fruits and vegetables and nuts. That is that much nutrition you are getting by consuming this. And it is proven, it is scientifically proven that it is so good for our heart health, entire cardiovascular system, and it can prevent cancer, and it gives a number of health benefits. So in today's world, it is a very necessary thing that if you are sipping a 60 ml of this product in a day, morning 30 ml and evening 30 ml, it will keep you so healthy. While I was hearing about what is health, I got a beautiful quote from a person called Sadhguru. What he's telling, health is something what it is not the mere absence of diseases. Health is something what it is not the mere absence of diseases. Health is something what all of your cells are dancing with happiness. All of your cells are dancing with happiness. That is the real health. So here we have iPulse. It will protect you from the cellular level. All cells will become active. Because of that, all tissues will work perfectly. And in accordance, the organs will be work perfectly, and your entire body will be good. So make iPulse as is a habit. Let us go to the next product called iCoffee. See, this product, the main ingredient of this product is Salacia reticulata, and this is used even long back, even thousands of years back. It is used by the people to control diabetic. It is mentioned in Charaka Samhita about Ekanayaga, about Salacia reticulata. And the speciality of this coffee is you can control your diabetic, whether you are a diabetic or non-diabetic. Everybody can use this, and without by just sipping an authentic coffee from the finest areas of Coorg, the coffees are collected. So you can just sip a coffee in a creamer coffee or a black coffee, and you can absolutely control your diabetic. And let us go to the next product. See, the next product is iSlim Flat Tummies. Everybody love the flat tummies and a very good body shape. Everybody want to reduce their weight. But in today's busy world, nobody's not getting enough time to do a good exercise or a proper diet control. So here comes our wonderful product called iSlim Flat Tummies. It's a very tasty bar with a lot of minerals, lot of what exactly body need, or vitamins, everything. So just have a bar today. Just skip your dinner and have this iSlim bar in 4 different flavors. It is available. So have one bar, and you can manage your weight. Let us go to the next product. Yeah, iCharge. Here I really love to talk about this product, because in today's world we all need an excellent energy. So it is providing you a 6 to 8 hours sustained clear energy, and it doesn't contain any caffeine or sugar, and it will improve your memory, your alertness, your focus, and it will give you, I told you, a lasting energy for 6 to 8 hours. So let us go to the next product. Yeah, iGlow. I think you are seeing this product, iGlow. This is one of the finest in this category. While we are thinking about a cosmetic product, normally we think to apply something on the face here we invented a new product. It's a very innovative one. You can consume this, a very tasty jelly. You can consume this. And Indus Viva is a wellness company. We believe that the beauty has to come not from outside, it has to come from inside. So you just have this iGlow in different 4 flavors, and it is all products are blended by the best saffron from Kashmir Valley. It will give you excellent health for your skin. It will give you the excellent skin health and glow to your face. So this is all about our product, and I like to hear from somebody in the team. They use the product, so we can. Basil, can you connect Miss? 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yeah, just let me know whom you want to unmute. I'll just do the needful, sir.
Okay. One Mr. Vijesh, he like to talk about iCoffee. Vijesh. Yeah, Vijesh, you can
Hello.
just share your experience. Yeah, Vijesh.
Namaste, friends.
Namaste,
Myself Vijesh. I'm basically a physical coach and a nutrition advisor from Mysore. My sponsor is Mr. Babu and my mentor, great achiever, Mr. Nish Varghese. I like to share my father testimony. Few months back, he was suffering and struggling from varicose vein and diabetes. As an Indian, I believe our traditional medicines, Ayurveda. Finally, I got Indus Viva products with a clinical tested and a scientifically proven product, which is behind science. Because of high coffee and iPulse, now he is completely all right. So I strongly recommend it to the all the peoples across the world to join your hands for going healthy and wealthy lifestyle with Indus Viva. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, yeah, can you connect to Mr. Mello Kandu? He's from Arunachal Pradesh.
Sure, sir.
Mello Kandu. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, sure. You are very much audible.
A very good evening to Anish sir and Vesil sir. My name is Melo Kadu, and I originally belong from Itanagar. And I would like to give few testimonies about iPulse. First is for my mother. Actually, my mother has been suffering from chronic hypertension since last 7 years. But thanks to God and thanks to this very much wonderful product iPulse, since October 2018, she has not consumed any type of medicine but only iPulse, and she is perfectly fine as of date. And for myself also, I was suffering from chronic gastritis and first stage ulcer. But since March 2019, I've been perfectly well, and as you can see on your screens, I'm perfectly glowing right now. So
Yeah,
that's my testimony, and thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. See, can you connect to Madhuri? She's from West Bengal. Madhuri. Hello. Please connect Madhuri. Madhuri.
Yes, sir. Good. So, am I audible?
Yes, very much audible, Madhuri. Yeah, please go ahead.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah. So, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much, Anish sir, and all my mentors for your time to teach us the ropes of entrepreneurship and being instrumental in my Indus Viva journey, sir. And I also extend my gratitude to the entire corporate of Indus Viva and our dynamic CEO, Mr. Abhilash Thomas, sir, for arranging the VOPs in such an extraordinary way. So, coming back to iGlow, so I am here for presenting you the testimony of iGlow. Actually, iGlow is the marvelous product. It's a revolutionary product given to us by Indus Viva. So, like since last 10 to 15 years, I was suffering from a very critical skin allergy problem, in the lower side of my feet. So I got treatment. I went for treatment in many places, but I didn't get the result. So earlier I was consuming all our products also. So I got result up to 50%, but it was healing. But once I started iGlow, so I got a marvelous result. Within 2 months, all my allergies got vanished, and I had a very strong problem of dehydration because Siliguri. We live in Siliguri, West Bengal. So Siliguri is such a place where the temperature keeps on changing. Sometimes it's very hot, sometimes it's very humid, sometimes it's very cold, sometimes it's very rainy. So due to this weather change, my skin continuously was very dehydrated. But after taking iGlow, now the dehydration problem of my skin has been completely cured. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Madhuri. Please connect to Mr. Dinesh Kumar. Dinesh Kumar, who's from Delhi. Dinesh ji. Hi Sonam, can you please connect Dinesh? Dinesh Kumar.
Hello, can you hear
Hello,
me?
Yes, Dinesh, you can talk,
Yes.
Dinesh.
Sir, good evening and good evening to all the guides who are present in this meeting. Actually, I am Dinesh Kumar, Ruby executive from Noida, and personally, I am using this iChart from last 6 months. Actually, I am a working class and I generally visit from this Noida area to Gurugram of Haryana, and when I used to return from in the evening. So I was totally tired and frustrated. If I want to utilize my evening time and study or doing some other works, due to my tiredness, due to this traffic in snarl and all, so I was totally fed up and I wasn't able to concentrate on my work in the evening. So now, when I came to know about this iCharge through my one of the relative, Ms. Madhuri Yadav, and my father-in-law, Mr. P. Yadav, he is also from the Siliguri. So while returning from this my office, I used to take one iCharge and then I sit on my driving seat, and for next 2 hours while driving through Delhi, I used to reach Greater Noida. So when I reach my home, I'm totally fresh and energetic. I feel as much charged as I used to feel when I used to get up early in the morning. So this is really a very wonderful product from Indus Viva, and really I like it. So this is one of the testimony. And regarding my daughter, she's also taking this iCharge, and by taking this iCharge, she has increased her mind retentive power enormously. Means very. So what is this? She used to forget. Means in the schools and all, she used to forget, and she was not able to remember all the study material for a longer time, or retain in her mind for a longer period of time. So by taking this iChart, she has improved her memory a lot, and she is much better in the studies also.
Thank you.
So
Thank you
really,
so much,
this is a
Dinesh
great
ji.
product, and my best wishes to all of you, and I wish all of you should use this product to keep yourself healthy, wealthy, and energetic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dinesh. That was a really wonderful. All the people they're talking in entire India. We are talking now. The world started to talk about our great products. So we can go to the next slide. So please go to the next slide. And the interesting thing is that because many of you may be wondering in this lockdown period, okay, if I order the product also, is it possible to avail? Yes, the movement of the product is allowed in the lockdown period as it is coming under essential items. So by sitting at your residence in Chennai, you can send this product to a friend in Delhi from your Delhi office. So all over India, you can sell you can move the product. It is possible to move everywhere. And you have to pay 100 rupees extra courier charges to do this. So let us go to the next one. Yeah, about the business opportunity. Now we heard about this wonderful company, its products. Now we can see what you have to do here. See, the most important thing in Indus Viva, we walk the talk. So you use the product. That is the first thing you have to do, and get convinced with its quality. That is the first thing. That is what you have to do. Then what you can do, you can recommend this product and business opportunity to just 2 friends through a video call, what we are doing right now. Otherwise, you can connect 2 people to a regular Zoom meet. You can connect one of your friends who is interested to know about Viva products or opportunity. That is what you have to do. And build a distribution network through those 2 associates. So that is what is the 3 things you have to do. Build a wonderful business, to use the product, recommend to 2 people, and help that 2 people to build a distribution network. Okay, let's see the next slide. And here we all Vivites are excited because you can build a business in the United States also by sitting in India. We have a wonderful product in the United States now called iWorth, an immunity booster formulated as per the Ayurvedic principles, and it is manufactured by Indus Viva. at United States of America. It's a wonderful thing. Now, so many people are really happy, especially in the corona virus spreading in America. Our product is contributing a lot and securing the virus affected people. Okay, let us move to the next slide. See, along with enjoying the finest products in the world, you can earn also in 10 different ways. You can earn income from retail profit to reward programs. Let us check it one by one. We will go to the retail profit. Here you will get a 20% retail profit you can enjoy. If you are buying the product, you will get a 20% commission into your account. So if you are using it, you can enjoy the product with a 20% discount price. Or if you are selling to any of the people, you can earn this 20%. So if you take one example of iGlow, it is 8 boxes. The MRP is 24,780 and the distributor price is 20,780, and you will get 200 point values. Here the product cost is same, but the quantity is different. So this is about retail profit. You will get 20% of the retail profit. See, now we are starting. I told you have to introduce 2 people to develop this business. So the first income you get is called business opening bonus. You start the business. You sponsor a person. He's interested in your left side with the 200 PV. You will get 1,000 rupees as your business opening bonus. So the next person is ready to start with you. You must sponsor the person into the right side because you have 2 business wings, your left wing and right wing. So both sides we have to sponsor people and support them. So while you are sponsoring these 2 people, you are getting 1,000 rupees each. That is what is the business opening bonus. Okay, let us go to the next bonus. That is actually it's a reward. If you can do this sponsoring, left and right, A and B, in 1+1 week, you get an additional bonus of 1,000 rupees. It's a reward. So this is called Quickstar reward. So I urge you, if you can do it 1+1 week, everybody can earn this extra income. So introducing 2 people, while I'm talking to some people, they were telling that for some people it is just 2 days sufficient. For some people they're telling it is 1 week is sufficient. You get here 2 weeks, 1+1 weeks. So let us enjoy this reward, Quickstar bonus. Let us go to the next bonus. That is the dual T bonus. I tell you, this is one of the big income in our plan. It's steady, it grows very steadily. You started the business, you have some left side, some distributors are there, right side, some distributors are there. You just imagine a 600 group volume starter. The entire group is producing 600 group volume from left side, and right side also. If you get 600 group volume, you will get a matching commission of 6,000 rupees weekly. It is very important. All the income you receive weekly here, especially the dual team bonus, you will receive weekly here. And if you can generate 1,000 GV left and 1,000 GV right, you will get 10,000 rupees. If you generate 20,000 GV left and 20,000 GV right, you will get 20,000 rupees weekly. Let us see the coming slide, how it's going. So in dual team bonus, you people are thinking if both sides are not growing equally, possibilities are there, one side can grow slow. It is called a carry forward system we have. Imagine your left side giving you 2,000 GV, right side giving you 2,200 GV. So the lesser side matching 2,000 GV matching, you will get 20,000 rupees that week, and 200 PV will carry forward to the next week. The next week, you got 2,500 GV from left side and 2,000 GV from right side. So the 200 will add to the 2,000. So 2,200 GVs matching bonus, you will get 22,000. The next you can see 3,000 GV left side and 4,000 GV is coming in the right side. So 300 PV is carry forward in the left side. So you will get a 33,000 rupees is going to credit your account the very next week. So we go to the next slide. We are all interested to know how much we can earn. So see, in my experience, you ready to support the people. They will build your business, because anywhere you go to United States or you go to Bangalore or in Surat, anywhere you go and ask people what is their prime two important necessity, everybody will tell you the first one is health and the next one is wealth. So Indus Viva is providing you such an opportunity to create health and wealth. So when you're supporting people, the volume will increase. Just imagine after a 6 to 9 months of time, you created a big team. Your left side 4,000 GB is generating right now, and right side also 4,000 PV is coming. You will get a 40,000 rupees weekly. If it is coming to 10,000 GB left and right, you will get 1 lakh rupees weekly. And if it is growing to 25,000 GB left, 25,000 GB right, you can earn 2,50,000 rupees weekly. That is what is the way you can generate income from this great plan. So many of you are thinking, okay, how long I will get or how much I will get the income in a week. Here for the dual team bonus, a limitation is there that is called capping. So in a week, if 40,000 GB is generated left and 40,000 PV is generated right, you are supposed to get 4 lakh, but you won't get that. The maximum income you can earn as team bonus is 2,50,000 rupees. You will get in the next week itself. Fridays are closing and you are going to get the income on Wednesday. So let us go to the next one. Next slide. Yeah, it is a potential weekly earning of 2,50,000 rupees in a week. I feel it is so fine. In a lockdown time, you are sitting at home, just introducing 2 people to your business and helping them. You can enjoy this money. And dual team bonus, you can earn through the personal turnover also. That is the beauty of this business. Just imagine you created a team of 1,000 people left and 1,000 people right. These all people are buying one single product in a month for the regular purchase. Example, a coffee, a person is using coffee, he controlled his diabetic. Within 28 days, his coffee will get over. The next month, he has to buy it again. Like that, 1,000 people from left and 1,000 people from right buying it. So you can generate 25,000 PV left, 25,000 PV right. So you will get 25,000 rupees in a month. If weekly this is happening, every week, without a single recruitment, just our team people are buying their personal purchase, you can continually earn this income. That is the beauty of the dual team bonus. We go to the next one. You can see so far 48 people across the country have earned more than 1 crore rupee through this opportunity. Not 1 or 2, 48 people become crorepathi's. You can watch a video right now. The people, the achievers who are earning great from Indus Viva. I think Indus Viva is the fastest growing company, not only in the turnover, not only in the growth rate. This company is growing. It is becoming the company which is creating crorepathi's. You can see the video. You can see a video that our people are receiving huge checks, rags to riches. You can see our Azino Haralu madam, a single mother. She's earned more than 1 crore rupees. And Mr. Nitin, he's also a crorepathy. So many leaders. They all started the business 2 years back. Somebody started 3 years back. When they started the business, they never thought about even a 1 lakh rupee. Now that people become crorepathi's. So many people from different walks of life. The people having good jobs, they left hand Viva, they become crorepathi's. Even the people from the very ordinary background, that people also becoming crorepathy. So it's a wonderful thing seeing the smile of these people. It is great. Mr. Arjun, the youngest crorepathy of Viva. Yes. So many leaders, so many leaders. Gavarneni, Mr. Gavarneni. Jitesh. So many leaders are wonderful, vibrant Viva leaders. Nikyu from Nagaland. This is Jyotish Chaurasya from Chhattisgarh. He was a pan shop owner, today Karotpadi in Viva. That's why I told you people are from all walks of life, Mr. Manoj Madhavan. Now we can see the check is not 1 crore, it is showing about 2 crore checks you are seeing right now. People are earned multi-crores. Mr. Om Prakash, Mr. Basil Varghese with a huge check, a Karotpadi. So many wonderful. He was a scientist. Mr. Rudresh, he was a scientist, left the job and became a full-timer. Mr. Varinder, a Karotpadi. Archit Ramesh. Dr. M. Shamshuddin, the number one, the first distributor of Indus Viva. You can see my photo here. I am also carrying a check more than near to 4.5 crores. Russell Harris. Nagesh Ji. You can see Mr. Sumit Patra. It is a 5 crore rupees check. And Mr. Prem Kumar. Mr. Sujit Khan. So here, Viva is such a wonderful opportunity. You can see, we see so many people from different walks of life taken Indus Viva as a career. It's a career option. They did this business so seriously, now become Karotpadis. Indus Viva is becoming a factory which is creating Karotpadis every week. So that is what is happening in Indus Viva. So I invite all of you to part of this great revolution. It's a revolution right now because we all know that it's a recession-proof business. Health and wellness is a recession-proof business. Network marketing is a recession-proof business. When the economy is going down, as Dr. Paul St. Pilser told, health and wellness will emerge. It's $1 trillion industry, health and wellness. And this industry is creating maximum number of multi-millionaires in the world in 2 days. And network marketing is creating the best business model to become so successful in life. So Indus Viva is a perfect blend of health and wellness and network marketing. See, I started this business in 2014. I salute my sponsor, Mr. Abhilash Thomas. He given me the opportunity. So I also use the product. I come to know this is really I can do good in the market because the product is so good. So there was only one product that time. Anyway, I seen the vision of the company and I used my complete energy and I started to push the business like anything. Dear friends, I also introduced 2 people. Now you can see my organization is grown to a team of more than 3 lakh distributors. That is the strength of my team right now. And nearly 5 crore rupees income. And in my organization, you can check more than 25 people become Karotpadis. I have only one brother. He's also full-timer to this business. And he's also near to 3 crore rupees. And many people, I'm so happy to support the people. They are become Karotpadis. Everything I got from this opportunity, you will get a lot of things, lot of foreign tours you can achieve from this business. I also traveled to many countries using this opportunity. I am driving a Mercedes Benz because of this opportunity. I have a beautiful villa at Shobha. That is one of the best villa in Bangalore. So everything, this opportunity is given to me. So I wish you people also take this opportunity seriously. We are there to support you to build your business. And today, sitting at your home, Vibrant Viva is giving such a wonderful support system. Sitting at your home, you can develop the business all around, all over the world. You can develop business. So let us all achieve great things here together. I am praying to Almighty give you this to take a wonderful decision to be part of this opportunity and move ahead. So I like to hand over to Mr. Basil Varghese. He like to invite some people. So I want to listen from some people. They are also doing the business. Mr. Rahul Sharma. Can you please unmute Mr. Rahul Sharma? I like to listen from him. He's doing the business from Jharkhand. Yeah, he's a Ruby executive. Hi, Rahul ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Rahul ji.
Thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to share my experience. Hi, viewers and all my friends. This is Rahul from Jharkhand, Bokaro. Let me introduce myself. I am a Ruby executive from Bokaro, Jharkhand. I have a 15-year past experience of insurance industry as a sales and marketing. I worked first as a chief branch manager in the insurance industry. I was not satisfied there due to some various reasons. Therefore, I am searching a good direct selling company so that I can fulfill my dream. So I have joined Indus Viva before 1.5 years. My sponsor was Mr. P.K. Jha from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have learned here a very good thing from Vibrant Viva education system. I learned a lot to how to build a team and work here. Finally, I can say that in Indus Viva is a really a 5-star company in which we can fulfill our dream. Now in a current scenario, I am satisfied. I am building now with a digital platform. My request to all my VYTs friends to please start to build our business through digital, and we can grab the opportunity of digital marketing and fulfill our dream here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Rahul ji. See, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful experience. So now I want to invite some other people from different part of India. They are doing this business past 2 years, 3 years. And I know one person, one energetic person from Karnataka. His name is Mr. Babu Gowda. He is a Pearl executive in Indus Viva, and he have a good experience. He want to share his wonderful experience with us. With your support, I would like to invite Mr. Babu Gowda. Babuji, over to you.
Yeah, good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
So thank you so much for our wonderful introduction, Mr. Basilji. I'm so excited today because after a long time, after this quarantine, we're doing a digital meeting. I'm really appreciate all of you all and the company how they are supporting us. And before these things, my name is Babu from Karnataka. Basically, I'm from Bangalore. So before coming to Indus Viva, I was into accounts and admin executive, and I used to work as a agency manager in an insurance company. Around 12 years of my experience, I am not reached